Hey guys, my name is Jeff. Welcome back to our channel. Short install clip today for you guys. This is a 11th gen Honda Civic Coupe. We have a bunch of aero for this car, but we haven't made an installation video, so this is a quick guide of how to install our aero parts. So as you can see, the customer already installed the front. This is like any of our splitter installs, pretty generic, same thing. But there are some spacers in here, 5 spacers. So if you do receive this splitter kit, there's another link below for this install, just for this. But today we're gonna be installing the rear diffuser. So let's get started, and it's gonna look amazing. So our rear diffuser, it's a 3-piece diffuser, super easy to install. We took off the mud guards already, so if you have mud guards, you're gonna have to remove it, which is like 2 clips, super easy. So this hole is already pre-drilled out, and you know, it's literally straightforward. You grab your clip, insert it here through the bumper tab, and it goes right in. Hold on. And push straight in. The middle section, OEM clips as well, and then 2 bolts which will be provided in the package. So let's get started. Super simple. I would just line it up. Make sure you line up right into the car with these 2 holes right here, as you can see. Very simple. Pop that in. So there is no drilling required for this model. Pop that in. We're good on the side. Now we just gotta do these sides right here, which is gonna be 2 bolts. Make sure it's 1 washer, and on the very top and inside is washer, crush washer, and nut, okay? Make sure you put that in that order. So alright guys, here it is, the 11th gen hatchback diffuser, V1. Super easy install, as you can see. It took us less than 5 minutes to put on. Everything's OEM. You don't need drilling, none of that good stuff. As you can see, our material is super rigid, super sturdy. Everything's made out of aluminum, powder coated gloss black. We have it in matte option as well, if you're interested. And also, product is in the link below. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time.